In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter bank transactions in QuickBooks Online manually. QBO tutorial. Manual entry is useful when a charge, refund, check, or deposit doesn't appear in your bank feed, or when you want to record something right away. We'll keep it simple and make sure your books stay clean and accurate. Start by going to the top left and clicking New. This opens the Create menu where every transaction type lives in QuickBooks Online. Next, choose the transaction you want to record. Pick the type that matches what actually happened at the bank, like expense, check, bank deposit, or transfer. Choosing the right type ensures the money flows correctly and your reports reflect reality. Now, fill in the details carefully. Add who you paid or received money from, the date, the payment method, and, importantly, the bank or credit card account the money moved in or out of. Then assign the proper account categories. These categories come from your chart of accounts and tell QuickBooks whether this is income, an expense, or something else. For example, a software subscription would typically go to a software or subscriptions expense account. A supply purchase to office supplies and customer money going into your bank would be categorized to the correct income account. Consistent categorization makes your profit and loss easier to understand later. Use the memo field to describe what the transaction is for, and attach the receipt or supporting document if you have it. Clear descriptions and attachments make searching and audits much easier down the road. If your company uses classes or locations, set those fields now so your reporting stays organized. Double-check the amounts, any tax settings if they apply in your region, and confirm the total matches your bank record exactly. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. QuickBooks posts the transaction to your account register and updates your reports immediately. If you're entering several in a row, Save and New is available, but Save and Close wraps up this entry and brings you back to where you started. A few quick tips as you finish up. If you also use bank feeds, watch out for duplicates. When the same transaction later appears in your bank feed, be sure to match it to the one you just entered instead of adding it again. Keep your categories consistent month to month, and if you're unsure, choose the closest fit and leave a helpful memo so you or your accountant can confirm later. That's all. With these entries in place, your records will reflect what actually happened, and you'll be ready for smooth reconciliation and accurate reporting.